So today we're going to take a closer look at the angles inside triangles. So I've given you all 4 triangles, 2 blue and 2 yellow, and they all have something in common. Who can tell me what they have in common? That's right, they are all right angle triangles. We can see that the top of each triangle is a right angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our protractor and we're going to measure the other 2 internal angles. Can anybody predict what those other 2 internal angles might be? 45 degrees, you say? Okay, well, let's take our protractor and check. We're going to start with the big blue triangle, and it is 45 degrees on the left side and 45 degrees on the right side. So far you are correct. Let's check the smaller blue triangle, and that's 45 degrees as well on the left side and also 45 degrees on the right side. Okay, so far you're correct. Let's move on to the yellow, the big yellow triangle. Looking at the left side, oh, that's not 45 degrees, that's 35 degrees. Okay, so something's different. Let's look at the other side. It's probably going to be 55 degrees because we know that all the internal angles add up to 180. And I'm correct, it's 55 degrees. So we've got 35 and 55 in our big yellow triangle. Let's look at our smaller yellow triangle. And on the left side, we've got 27 degrees. Okay, so that's very different. And on the right side, we've got 63 degrees. Okay, so that's really different. So who can tell me why inside the blue triangles, the other 2 angles, apart from the 90-degree angle, are 45 and 45, but that's not true for the yellow triangles? What's different between the blue triangles and the yellow triangles? That's right, if we look at our blue triangles, if we look at our 90-degree angle, the sides coming down from that are the same length. We've got 20 centimeters and 20 centimeters, 15 and 15. So these are isosceles right-angled triangles. If we look at the yellow ones, the sides coming down from a 90-degree angle are not the same length. We've got 15 and 10 and 10 and 5. So these are scaling right-angled triangles. So this tells us that in an isosceles right-angled triangle, the other 2 internal angles opposite our 90-degree angle will always be 45 degrees, but that is not true for our scalene angles, for our scalene triangles.